welcome. This is lesson 7, and in today's lesson I'm going to be showing you how you can paint using charcoal. If you'd like to know how to make charcoal paint or charcoal powder, you can watch one of my other videos, and I've put links in here at the top. In this video I'll be demonstrating how to paint using charcoal. So let's start by loading up our brush and touching the paper. We're going to start with the branch, because when you first load your brush, that's when it's got its maximum paint on it. So you wouldn't start with the little branches or you'll make a real mess. So you want to be starting with the trunk, get that in quickly, and any major branches straight away before we start with any detail at all. Then from there we're going to put in some finer branches. Wherever you think they should go is where they should go, and just allow that lovely charcoal paint to just run off the end of the brush there. Pressure very, very light, hardly touching the paper, just using the very point, the very tip of the brush here. Putting a little bit powder on there just to get a nice dark tone there. Come in with an interesting little branch here. Now the tree overall has got a nice feel to it, so we'll continue on here, placing in some thin branches. Just wherever you think they should go is where they should go. Very little paint on the brush here now, so we're able to get some nice light tones as we work with the fine details towards the edge, towards the end of these tapered branches here. You can see how easy it is just to pop in some lovely branches, just keeping the shapes nice and organic, letting the charcoal paint do some work. Should probably come in on the left side and provide a little bit of balance, a little bit more on the brush. A little bit more interest coming up there, different tonal varieties. See, we're coming in quite dark there. Another little branch up there, give it a little bit of movement. And there we are. That's how you can paint quite easily with charcoal paint. It's lovely to use. Very much like ink to use, or watercolor would be very similar technique. Charcoal, very flexible. This willow charcoal, lovely to paint with. Stick form, with powdered form, or here with painted form. It's so versatile, very flexible, and I love using it. And like I said earlier, if you'd like to know how to make charcoal paint or charcoal powder, you can click the links below. I'll put one in the top left corner here and one in the top right. So watch those videos. This has been lesson 7 of the 10-week course. All the courses are on the links below. Reasonably good tree, so I think you get the general idea of how you can paint with charcoal paint. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up.